Hey guys, I'm here right now at the Bali coffee maker stall. This place is actually famous for making the special coffee, which is made out of fermented mongoose poop. All right, so what they normally do is they wait for the mongoose to excrete, and then they cleanse the poop, and then the coffee beans which are emitted out of it are cleansed, and then a coffee is prepared accordingly. So I'm going to take you around and show you the coffee, how it looks and how it's basically going to taste. Right. So guys, this is the mongoose basically, which is gonna have the coffee beans, all right, and then it's gonna excrete, and then they're gonna make the coffee drink for us. All right, he's busy relaxing. I don't want to disturb him. Okay, all right, let's proceed to the all right. So once what happens is, once the mongoose does consume the coffee beans, and once it does excrete, this is how it looks here. All right, and then once it is cleansed, that's how it looks. Right, and then the beans are made into a mixture. All right, and then coffee is produced out of the powder of the mixture. So this is where the coffee beans are roasted before it's produced into coffee.
Yeah, this one is the after roasting, you know?
So this is after the roasting?
Yeah. The
Nice.
after roasting, this is the 1 hour. Yeah.
Lovely smell.
Yeah, you put this the bean, the after roasting, the after the drying.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is where you mash it into a powder.
Until the powder, yeah, this one is the 45 minutes until the powder. The 1 kilo.
So roasting first, first, and once the roasting is done,
the after
then
the
you
drying
get
it, yeah.
powder. All right.
Yeah, this the after the tea, this the cacao, this the spicy.
Okay.
Yeah, underneath the after glass the name. So it's the Bali coffee.
Nice.
Yeah, information the start number 1 is the Bali coffee, and the finish the red ginger.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Nice. All right, guys. So what you see here is different samples of coffee. We've got the Bali coffee, we've got the lemongrass tea, and all different varieties of coffee. Now this particular coffee, which is called the Luwak coffee, which is made from the poop of the mongoose, is going to be delivered to us within a few minutes. It's being prepared as we speak, right over there. All right, so we'll give my verdict on how it's going to taste. Alright, so now I'm going to taste the mangosteen, what's it called? It's called the, hold on a sec, I've got the menu with me here. Oh, the mangosteen tea. Let's see how it's going to taste. Oh, it's amazing, guys. It's sweet, not too sour in taste in comparison to other coffee, but really nice. I also love the aroma that comes out of the tea. Now, what's described here in the menu, it says the important substance in the mangosteen peel that has made mangosteen fruit very valuable is xanthones. Health benefits of mangosteen peel are treating cancer, preventing heart disease, overcoming diarrhea, preventing diabetes, prevent aging, boost immunity, and also strengthens your immunity system. So that's my verdict for the mangosteen tea. Amazing taste, amazing aroma, and amazing flavor. We'll give you the verdict of the next different coffee and tea that I'm going to sample. Alright, so what I have in front of me is the Luwak coffee, which I was talking about. There's the dark chocolate and also the Balinese sweet potato chips. Now, something about the Luwak coffee, alright, let me give you a brief on what the benefits are. Luwak coffee has many health benefits, alright. It's a coffee that helps you prevent diabetes. The coffee content in coffee Luwak can provide protection against mouth and teeth because it contains antibacterial and anti-sticking properties which can prevent the bacteria that causes cavities. It also prevents neurological diseases and Parkinson's diseases because of the antioxidant in coffee Luwak. This particular coffee can also reduce inflammation in the brain that causes Alzheimer's disease. Luwak coffee can stimulate vascular system and stimulate the adrenaline hormone. It's also used to help the body metabolism. It also helps with the functioning of body metabolism and makes the body feel more energetic. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it and then give you my verdict. Alright, so I'm going to taste the Luwak coffee. Oh, it's damn strong, and it's also a bit sour, but I just feel a sudden spark of instant energy after having this coffee. Yeah, it just makes you, feel refreshed just with one sip alone. So no doubts that you get the sudden instant kick. It's nice, yeah. You don't need sugar for this, guys, and if you do add sugar to this, trust me, it's just gonna kill the taste. Have this without sugar. It's nice. I'm actually loving it. Nice. Here in the store that sells the special Luwak coffee powder and the special Luwak coffee beans. So if you're a person who likes to prepare the coffee powder yourself, you can go for the Luwak coffee beans, which is sold here, but I'm going for the Luwak coffee powder. Alright, it's a 200-gram pack, which is for $47. So apart from this, you can also buy mangosteen tea powder, you can buy lemongrass tea powder, the Bali dark chocolate. So they've got a plethora of options out here. So if you guys are coming to Bali, do come and check out this place, guys. Alright, you're gonna love it.